If you're thinking of food ideas for your baby over 6 months, here is one that you would absolutely love: rice cereal. So, you watch your rice till the water runs clear. Sun dry it, or you can dry it in the oven. Then take out the seeds from your date. Watch till the end of this video. I'll tell you what else to use if you don't want to use date in your cereal. So I took mine to the commercial mill to blend because I don't want to stress my food processor. So go ahead to use your food processor if you wish. So this is what we have here: a fine blended rice to a smooth powder. So I have this pouch here. I'll store mine in this pouch. You can go ahead to store in any airtight container that you have. For the 3 cups I blended, this is what I have after putting in my pouch. So for the preparation of this food, dissolve 2 spoons of the rice cereal with 250 ml of water. Then you put on your cooker and stir. Keep stirring till you get to the consistency you want. You can cook this for 2 to 6 minutes depending how thick you want it to be. But remember, when you take it off the heat, upon getting cooler, it becomes even thicker. So keep that in mind while you prepare your baby's food. If you don't want dates blended in your rice cereal, you can go ahead to mash half banana. That is when you're about giving your baby's food. Mash half banana into a puree. Then you add your rice cereal, your prepared rice cereal, into that. Mix well and give your baby. Yummy, your baby will love it. So that is an alternative for anyone that does not want date, or you can't access date where you are. So if you found value in this video, why not hit the subscribe button and share this video for a wider audience. Thank you as you take your time to like this video now. Till we meet again in my next video, keep exploring your creativity. Bye y'all.